Good morning. This is Midascent uh, Limited exhaust system manufacturers and the catalytic converter supplier. I want to talk about silencers and the vehicles. As you can see, I have different silencers with me here. I want to let you know that there are so many mistakes that are being done with the vehicles when it comes to silencers, because either mechanics or the owners are fitting any kind of box or an empty shell of silencer to your vehicle, and you realize that your vehicle even has staged on the side of sound production or the consumption, and you meet yourself uh, in a different sound of the exhaust emission. Now, kindly note that every vehicle is designed with its own silencer or muffler, and that's why every vehicle has different sound produced through exhaust system. So if you fit a different muffler or silencer to your vehicle, then it will change completely your sound. For example, as you can see, this is a muffler or silencer for Mercedes 124 series, and you can see the way it is designed. And this silencer is very important because it will make sure that Mercedes will produce the right sound as you ignite your vehicle. The second one is a silencer for Mitsubishi Pajero. Mitsubishi Pajero, you can see it is a different silencer. It is a bit longer and thin, so therefore it will produce a different sound when you fit it into your vehicle. But if you change this and you put another one, then it will be a very different. Even the consumption of the fuel will be different. The other one is for the LA4 old model. You can see LA4 old model, the way it is, and this is the silencer for it. And this one we manufacture here in our workshop, and we make sure that it's up to standard, and it is up to standard. This is according to the way it was manufactured. So we follow the manufacturer concept, and we produce a better silencer with good materials that are very important, and the sound of the vehicle will remain as it is, as was designed by the manufacturer. The last one, as you can see, this is Land Rover 110, yeah, the silencer of Land Rover 110, and if you change it automatically, that vehicle will change. It will change even the sound, the functionality of it, because exhaust systems matters a lot even in the performance of the vehicle. So please do not be cheated either by a log mechanic or your mate, and you use any kind of silencer that are hanged along the road. So make sure that you use the standard silencer of every vehicle. You can call us, you can visit us, and we will give you a professional advice on any silencer that you need. Please, because it is that will enable your vehicle to perform properly, and the sound will be okay, and it shall be very well. So make sure that if your vehicle has a worn out silencer or a worn out pipe, contact Midascent Limited, exhaust manufacturer and catalytic supplier, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us in our Facebook, and God will bless you. We'll give you the best professional advice and standard and product that you need. God bless you. Have a good day. Thank you.